what you're talking about is an ancillary fear inside of most every person on the planet right now. And that the fear of being replaced by something who never sleeps, doesn't complain, it's maybe tax deductible, can be depreciated. If I could just list a couple of things that describe the AI versus human component of the world we're moving into. Yeah. These things are subconscious detractors that create fear. I don't think fear is the right response. I think we have to take a step back and look at what happened when the iPhone was invented, when the internet was invented. We go back to the first airplane being flown, to the advent of the printing press. We've had these major technological advances, and human civilization has had to wrap its head around it and reposition. This is likely a repositioning time.